Hi, this is Harold Ross. Thanks for joining me. As some of you may know, I take a lot of inspiration from classic paintings, and the Dutch master painters would very often paint smoke above an extinguished candle, for instance. In the old days with film, we would often have to add steam or smoke to an image, but it was a major challenge. It would have to be done in a repeatable and controlled way and on transparency film, and this was very difficult. With Photoshop, we can actually create the smoke with a special brush, which must be created from scratch, and I've carefully crafted a set of 11 smoke brushes, which can be used in your images. But those 11 brushes can be flopped, distorted, and masked for different effects, and they can also be combined. So really, the set of 11 brushes is rather unlimited. Along with the brushes, you'll get an image to be used as a guide, and this image can actually be brought into another image to help you choose which smoke brush you prefer for that particular image. So once you've loaded the brushes, it's just a matter of going into this menu and choosing the one that you want. Let's take number 8. Then I'll make sure that I'm selected on my empty layer, and I'll bring the brush over, use the bracket keys to make it smaller if I need to, and with an opacity of 100% and white in the foreground color, I just click and I have smoke. And of course, it's probably a bit bright here, but I'll just bring it down in opacity to taste. Since it is on its own layer, we can also move it around. And we can also resize it or transform it. And included with the brushes is a very detailed video on advanced editing techniques that we can use to enhance and edit the smoke even further. In the included video, I'll show you how to move, flop, distort, mask for depth, gradate, colorize, and combine the brushes, which will give you an unlimited number of possibilities. My smoke brushes can really enhance your images, and they're a lot of fun to use. Thank you for joining me. This is Harold Ross.